Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic problem, and here we have x minus 6 and its whole cubed equals to minus 216, and we will solve this problem for the values of x. So here we find all the roots of this nice cubic equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move minus 216 to the left hand side, and we get its output in this form x minus 6 cubed, because this is negative term, and when we move in the left hand side it will becomes positive, and we write plus 216 equals to 0. So in the next step you will focus on the term 216, and we know that 216 be the cube of 6. So if you take 6 cubed, it will be equals to 216, and this whole equals to 0. And in the next step we use here the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the our nice cubic formula, and now we use this formula on the above term. So here we have x minus 6 be the value of a and 6 be the value of b. So now we substitute the values of a and b in this cubic formula, and you get its output in this form. So first we have a plus b. So here our a is x minus 6 plus b, and our b is 6, and it is multiplied by a squared. So here our a is x minus 6 square and minus ab. So again our a is x minus 6 and b is 6 and plus b square. So our b is 6, so it will become 6 square, and this whole equals to 0. So here we need to simplify the terms, and you see that this is the positive 6 and negative 6 are cancelled by each other, and here we get x only, and here you open this nice square identity, and you know that a minus b whole square. So we use this nice formula, and you get the output of this term in this form: x squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times of x into 6, and here we multiply this 6 on both of the terms, and you get minus 6x plus 36, and we know that 6 square equals to 36, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we add or subtract the like terms, and first we have x, and here you see that this is x square be the only one term, so we write it as it is, and this is the 6 square and it is equals to 36, and we know that 2 times of 6 is minus 12 into x as it is, and here you have minus 6x, and here we add 36 plus 36, it is equals to 72, and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step we need more to add or subtract the like terms. So now we simplify this equation, and we obtain x square, and here first I will write the term involving x. So it is minus 12x and minus 6x, it will becomes minus 18x. After that we have 36 plus 72, and when we add 36 plus 72 it will becomes 108, and this will be equals to 0. So that here we have two cases. The first case is we write our x equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 18x plus 108 equals to 0. So in this case we get the first root of the given equation, which is x equals to 0. And now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation, so that here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So now first we write the coefficients of this term, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 18, and c equals to 108. And the quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: x equals to minus b plus minus a square root of b square minus 4 times of ac, and this whole over 2 times of a. So here we substitute the values of a, b and c, and we get its output in this form. So we have the value of b is minus 18, so when we substitute here it will becomes in this form: minus times of minus 18 plus minus square root of minus 18 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 108, and this whole divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So in the next step we need more simplification, and here you have minus times of minus equals to plus 18 and plus minus square root of minus 18 square, and you know that minus 18 square equals to 324, and when we multiply 4 times of 108 it is equals to 432, and this whole divided by 2. So now we just subtract these two terms, and we get 18 plus minus square root of here you have 324 minus 432, it is equals to minus 108, and it is divided by 2. So in the next step we simplify this expression, and we write this minus 108 in the form of 18 plus minus square root of here we write 108 as 36 times of 3, and we separate the square root of minus 1, and this whole term is divided by 2. So in the next step we just modify the terms, and we write it as 18 plus minus here you know that the square root of 36 equals to 6 times of square root of 3, and we know that the square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and this whole divided by 2. So when we separate these two terms, so these two cancelled 18 and 6, and we get finally our answer will be 9 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.